Welcome back to LuxVan, your destination for the most extraordinary and luxurious motorhomes on the road. And today we're taking a close look at this jaw-dropping, ultra-luxury motorhome that looks more like a futuristic mansion on wheels than a traditional RV. From the moment it rolls into view, this motorhome commands attention with its bold architectural presence and sheer size, making everything else around it feel ordinary. Starting with the exterior, this motorhome is built on a heavy-duty truck platform designed to handle serious weight while delivering smooth long-distance cruising. The matte dark finish gives it a stealthy, high-end look, while sharp LED lighting elements at the front and sides add a modern, almost sci-fi personality. The multi-axle configuration not only enhances stability, but also hints at the massive luxury hidden inside. Large panoramic windows run along the length of the body, flooding the interior with natural light while maintaining privacy with tinted glass. One of the most striking features is the multi-level design, complete with an integrated staircase and balcony-style access, making it feel more like a mobile penthouse than a motorhome. Every panel looks precision-crafted, with clean lines and seamless joints that reflect top-tier engineering. Stepping inside, the interior is where this motorhome truly separates itself from anything conventional. The layout feels open, spacious, and incredibly refined, with high ceilings and wide walkways that make it easy to forget you're inside a vehicle. Premium materials dominate every surface, from soft-touch leather seating to brushed metal accents and rich wood finishes. The main living area is designed for both comfort and entertainment, featuring plush sofas, ambient LED lighting, and a large smart display seamlessly integrated into the wall. The kitchen rivals what you'd expect in a luxury apartment, equipped with full-size appliances, induction cooktops, hidden storage, and elegant cabinetry that blends style with practicality. Moving toward the sleeping quarters, the bedroom offers a hotel-level experience with a king-size bed, sound insulation for quiet nights, and panoramic views through expansive windows. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a spa-inspired shower, premium fixtures, and a layout that maximizes space without compromising comfort. When it comes to performance, this motorhome is engineered to deliver effortless power despite its size. Under the hood, it's expected to feature a high-output diesel engine paired with an advanced automatic transmission, providing smooth acceleration and confident highway cruising. The air suspension system plays a major role in ride quality, absorbing road imperfections and ensuring a stable, comfortable experience for passengers. Advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane assist, 360-degree cameras, and collision warning, make piloting this massive vehicle far less intimidating than you'd expect. Despite its length and weight, steering feels controlled and predictable, thanks to modern chassis tuning and electronic support systems designed specifically for luxury touring. In terms of pricing, a motorhome of this caliber sits firmly in the ultra-premium category. Depending on customization, interior finishes, technology packages, and regional availability, prices can easily range from high six figures to well over $1 million. This isn't designed for casual weekend campers, but for buyers who want uncompromised luxury, exclusivity, and the freedom to travel without giving up the comforts of a high-end home. For those who can afford it, this motorhome represents the pinnacle of life on wheels, blending cutting-edge design, supreme comfort, and commanding road presence into one unforgettable machine.